Hey YouTube, Joseph Bulmer here, and today I'm going to take you through changing out the battery in a 2003 Honda VTX. We're going to be going with an Autocraft AGM battery. These batteries are a lot more resistant to vibration. AGM batteries tend to be more resistant to being drawn down over time and then recharged, more like a deep cycle, which is good for something that doesn't get used all the time. So they are a little more expensive. Nature of the beast. Anyway, do me a favor, while we get into this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. If you have, make sure you hit the notification bell, that way you get notifications on all my upcoming videos. If you have any questions, as always, throw them down in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. And when it's all over with, please don't forget to rate the video. So, let's dive right into this. First thing we have to do is we have to remove the seat. The battery is under this seat. I've already taken the two 6mm Allen out that hold the rear of the front seat down, but the rear seat has to come off in order to get the front seat out to access the battery. This is going to be a 5mm on the back of this seat. There we go. Yes, it is. So I'm going to take our 5mm and we're going to loosen that bolt. I don't think I'm going to necessarily have to totally remove it. We're going to take a 12mm and we're going to remove the two bolts that hold the front and the rear seat in place. That's one on each side. Once we get them loose, we can just very gently slide this over out of the way. Since I've already removed the other two bolts, we can just pick the seat right up. Now, we're going to take our negative terminal loose first. Somebody wrapped 9 kinds of wires around this freaking bolt, which is just stupid. We got our negative terminal bolt off. Now we're going to get the cable out of there, that way it doesn't arc. Hopefully. We'll get it out of the way. Stay. Please stay over there. Get that back out of the way. And then we're going to take this one off. Now that that's out of the way, there's our positive for our battery tender. We'll move it. And I should be able to lift the battery directly up and out. Alright, let me sit down. I need to stand. Just like that. I'm trying to set this where you guys can see what I'm doing. Take our little package that comes with the battery, open it up, and it's going to have all of our nuts and bolts and things that we need to actually do the install. So we're just going to need the short ones. We're going to use all new hardware. Before we drop the battery, there's two little square nuts. Slide in here, just like that. Okay. Now, we'll drop the battery back into its slot. Make sure all our wiring and everything else stays up out of the way. Okay. Now, give me a second. We're going to fix the wiring for the battery tender on the negative side. We're just going to tighten that down. Okay. Alright, so I got that one, this one, and this one. There, maybe that'll give you a better view. I don't know. I'll try this one-handed. Okay, so that goes down through there. I got it backwards. Shit. It's bent. Okay. That's got to go through there. We'll get it started. Okay. Now that it's started, I can plug that one underneath of it. That's nice and tight. Now we'll come over here to the negative. Battery cable's going to go on first. And then we've got our new ring terminal. It goes on. A new bolt. So, sorry. Just like that. Okay. Nice and tight. Now, make sure we have juice before we are neutral. All right, fired right up. Alright guys, so that's all it takes to put a battery in a Honda VTX 1300. Do me a favor, please don't forget to rate the video, subscribe if you haven't. If you have, hit the notification bell. Questions, put them in the comments. And don't forget guys, get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one.